Greetings to everyone. Our topic for today is all about gender roles in Asian, African, and Western societies. So, what is gender roles? Roles are the tasks and responsibilities we are supposed to do in particular place or situation. Ang roles mo niya ng specific task and responsibilities na expected of us in certain situation or places. For example, sa inyong balay, imong role ito kay mo magluto or kana mag-asikaso sa imong mga children or caring for your family. Kita natin lain-lain roles in certain places, whether it's in your family or in the school. So in Asia, there are several roles in Asia. So let's start in Japan. With Japan recognized as an economic superpower, gender roles remain highly influenced by its culture. Societal obligations are still observed in their roles. One is Japanese women still control the household, family decision, and finance. Ang babae sa Japan mo gyapon mo sila mo control sa decisions and sa family finances. So mas dako sila mo control dili ang lalaki. And the second is Japanese mothers are expected to prepare bento box, tradition, or elaborate lunches for their children to take school. So kani kay kita naman ta ni sa mga salida na ang mama gyud mo prepare sa ilahang mga lunches sa ilahang mga children. So mao ni ang role sa mothers. Sila may prepare sa baunanan or sa lunchbox sa mga ilang mga anak or kana mga bento boxes kuan na lang mga murag kana ang i-decorate bitaw nila nga detailed kayo. The third is Japanese men have to work for hours on end for their companies and even spend their free time for the company. So kaning mga Japanese men would work harder ni sila, work harder. Isa ganaang taganang oras silang giikuan sa ilang jobs. Mas kuan yun nila. Masa busy na sila. Busy na pero may. 4 is Japanese men are expected to socialize with their managers after long work days. So yes, ang laki daw kay expected sila mo spend time na makipag storya sa ilang manager pagkaman sa ilang mga tugay nga work days or long work days. The 5 is men are usually recruited directly from colleges and universities by large Japanese companies that seek to foster loyalty and train employees for their own purposes. So in the large companies, mas gi-recruit nila ang men nga straight from college para ma-aim nila aiming to build their loyalty and train i-train sila na para ma-fit sila sa kana na company. 6 is women are considered temporary workers and companies do not invest in their training because women are expected to devote more time to their families. So yes, ang companies often ilang tanaw sa babae kay temporary employees kay mas o di sila mo invest sa ilang training kay mas ang kanadang mga babae kay mas nag-expect sila nga mas prioritize nila ilang family kaysa company. 7 is Japanese parents save money and spend more sending their sons to universities. Daughters are encouraged to take 2-year courses. So, parents tend to save more for their sons' universities education, while ilang daughters often encourage nila na dili humnon ang 4-year course, ngunit 2-year courses lang ilang humnon. 8 is marriage is considered a national duty for women, thus they are not expected to work full-time and spend years in a company. So, kanang marriage is viewed as national duty sa babae or women, with the expectation that they won't work full-time or stay long in a company. So, if married na ka, ga-work pa ka, so nag-expect ang company nga or they are expected that they won't work full time. Dili sila mo trabahoin full time or dili sila magstay in the company bitaw. 9, the last is 9. Japanese women once married to the eldest sons are supposed to take care of not only their children but also their husband's parents. Married women, especially sa katuang married sa silang eldest son, they are expected na i-care nila dili lang ilang children ngunit sa kanaang parents sa iyahang husband. Latin America. In Latin America, cultural values shape gender roles through concepts like machismo and Marianismo. Machismo promotes the ideal man as bold, dominant, and responsible for public roles. So, machismo mao ni ang mga lalaki. Responsible sila sa mga public roles. While Marianismo mani ang babae views as women as nurturing, morally superior, and focused on family duties. So, superior sila ang mga babae sa in Latin America. 1. Because women are expected to be nurturing and morally superior to men, they have been assigned to duties associated with the family, particularly the rearing and education of the children. So, women may expect nga morally superior man sila, so they are sila mo'y assign sa mga family related duties, especially sa pag-raise o pag-educate sa ilang children. The second is by virtue of their supposed strength and assertiveness, men are given exclusive domain over the public sphere. Example, politics, economy, international affairs, etc. They are exempted from any responsibility in the home. So, men kay masin man sila nga strong and assertive. Typically, ilang roles are in the public, like politics and economy, or sila exempted sila sa household responsibilities. Muna ang role sa household muna ang women. The third is the men are expected to work hard, protect and provide for a family who depends on him for economic support. So ang men expected sila mo work hard, protect and financially support sa ilang family. The fourth is this sense of empowerment tends to cause men to express dominance and superiority inside home. This sense of empowerment can lead na men to assert dominance and superiority within the home. Europe, In Europe, economic restructuring in Europe has greatly influenced the traditional gender norms. First is both men and women engage in earning as well as caring activities. So both men and women kay pareha sila nga ni earn og income og caregiving. Second is more fathers embrace the idea of active parenting. So more fathers para mga ilang fathers kay taking active roles in parenting. Active sila sa parenting. 3. Women do not withdraw from the labor market upon marriage or motherhood but continue their work in companies. Women continue working even they are or after sa marriage or becoming mothers. For women, increasing economic independence has been seen as a main cause of new family patterns. Women's growing economic independence is a key factor in changing family dynamics. In Africa, home to 54 sovereign states, has long-standing beliefs concerning gender roles. Most of its traditional social organizations are male-centered and male-dominated. Gender roles remain unchanged. First is patriarchy upholds the supremacy of the man over the woman, no matter how young, immature, and uneducated the man is. He is the key decision maker and the protector of the family. So ang men mo'y naagi siya mas naay ang men mo'y naay authority over sa babae regardless sa ilang age or maturity or wa ba siya or education sila mo'y decision makers o protectors sa ilang family. Second is women are viewed as homemakers, childbearers, and wives. So mo ni ang babae mo paanakan na sila o sila may mo kuan sa ilang balay, homemakers o mga paanakan o sila may kuan mo care silang children. The 3 last is women are expected to raise children, cook, clean house, and fetch food, and serve others. So women ilang responsibilities kay kuan to raise children, cook sila, cleaning or fetch wood, and serve others in the household. So that's all in Africa. In Western societies like Europe, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and the US, gender equality has significantly progressed over the past century. Women once expected to be homemakers now participate widely in the workforce and hold diverse roles, including leadership positions. They enjoy rights such as voting, education, and protection against violence, with the gender pay gap narrowing. Many countries like Canada and Sweden are approaching gender parity in government, and men increasingly take on caregiving roles at home. Some European nations have adopted gender-neutral paternity leaves policies further promoting equality. So in Western society countries like Europe, Canada, and the US, kaya ilang gender equality kaya na-improve greatly in the past century. Karon kay ang women kay in many fields kay na sila leadership and have the rights like voting and education. The gender pay gap is shrinking and men mo taking on more caregiving roles at home. So nabali na ilaha imbis nga laki mo mangita og trabaho, sila may kuanan ni pulis sa babae ug ang babae may pulis sa laki. Some countries like Sweden have introduced gender neutral paternity leave to support equality. So that's all, guys. I hope you have learned something in this video, and see you in the next video.